She's Sam Soy, which it says over here. Here, so yeah, I get it. Sam Soy. See that? It's kind of close. So here we got Sam Soy. Power over here. Let's power right over here next to the camera. Next we got so we got Ice Spray. And her name and her, I think. No, Chalky Tubs. Chalky Tubs. Chalky Tubs. Let's put her here too. Then we've got this one which is called, what is it? I can barely find it. Yeah, this is cute, but this is cute, but I can't find it. That's the weird. Oh, it's called King Sugar. So here we got King Sugar. It's kind of like a baby Shopkin. Next, so it's a special one. We got the color changing Shopkin, and her name is Small Fry Pan. Small Fry Pan. Howdy there. Let's put the first one there. She can't be she could be next to King Sugar now. I think. Okay, next. I think this is. Okay, we got. I think it's Vicky Vanilla. No, it's not Vicky Vanilla. It's Wilbur Whipper Cream. We got some cheese. Louise. Cheese Louise. Get it? Cheese and Louise. So her name is, can't barely see her. So her name is called Charlie Cheese. Oh, that's a cute name, Charlie. Let's put Charlie Cheese. Put her upside.